This tutorial shows you how to view your saved and archived stories on the Facebook app for Android. First, open the Facebook application on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Following that, scroll down and tap on your name or profile. Now, you'll be taken to your Facebook profile page. Moving forward, look for the three dots or more button below your profile picture. Tap on it to see additional options. Afterwards, tap on Archive from the menu. You'll see different archive categories displayed. Look for Stories Archive or Story Archive. Tap on it to view all your archive stories. Now you can scroll through all the stories you've posted in the past. Stories are organized by date so you can easily find older ones. Tap on any story to view it again. You can also download or delete archive stories from here. Tap on the three dots on a story to see more options, like Save to Camera Roll or Delete. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you see archive stories on Facebook, give it a like. Subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.